High voltage automotive oscilloscope 4 channels oscilloscope, 1 GSA/S real-time sampling rate, 2 MV10V/DIV high input sensitivity and large input range, 250 MHz high bandwidth automotive oscilloscope high voltage support different system fit for the portable computers, table PC, and suitable for wild mobile use and business trip use. Support Win 10/Win 8/Win 7 etc. High voltage 20 kinds of automatic measurement grade function, more than 20 kinds of automatic measurement function, pass/fail check function, resourceful trigger function, dynamic cursor tracking, waveform record and replay function. High voltage USB 2.0 interface USB 2.0 interface plug and play, and no need extra power supply. High voltage after sales service. This is a professional instrument. If you need technical support, please feel free to contact us. We will reply you and solve your problem within 24 hours. If it is a product problem, we provide free